Do y'all see my new scarf? Somebody bring in the Mary beat. No more drama in my life. Can I double skirt? Psh, baby, talk to me. Talk to me nice only. Look at this energy. I don't know how many times I tell y'all to come over to the Raw Indian side. I don't know how many times. I don't know. I'm not gonna stop. Let's see if we can get a braid in real quick. Oh, while we're here. Cause I'm about to be Pocahontas. I did dye the tips of this blue, but I baby stepped it blue. Well, my hairstylist did. I don't got time for shit like that. I will work an extra shift at work just to pay for something that I don't want to do. Like I don't make my own wigs. Oh, this is my first wig. I don't sew my own hair in. I'm not that girl. I'm not that girl. I will work overtime to make sure I can pay to not be that girl because I don't have the patience. I am very impatient. It's one of my, what's the thing I'm going for? It's one of my vices. I can't help it. This is just rated beautifully. I can't wait to get this. You know when you just see a look and you feel the Instagram caption coming out of you? Jesus. My hairstylist made this wig for me. It has combs in the back. It is a frontal. I got the frontal knot from Weavvy because the hair is 30 inches. And while I would love, I'm probably still gonna order a Weavvy frontal, but it's just that her frontals end at 14 inches as of now. Because it's not common for them to be on the market hella long frontals. Like it's not a common thing, so like that's regular. Hers like 14 inches is like standard. Like in decast up to 14 inches. ALONZO ARNOLD just happens to be a go hard and has 18-inch frontals. And with a 30-inch hair, it's important to have a longer length to match the length of this. Because if I had a 14-inch bundle, the beginning of my layering would like end right here, and then I have all this, you know, gappage in between, and that's not what we ever signed up for. Like that's just not realistic. His frontals come pre-plucked, which I really did enjoy. Like pre-plucked, like I didn't do anything to it yet. I still want to pluck it to give it like sideburns and maybe some baby hairs, but I'm not like a girl that needs baby hairs because I don't have any, so it'd just be foolish for me to force something I don't have. But for a certain wig, I'll do it. But he does not play about the chargeback game, so don't even bring it there because he got lawyers on deck. You gotta sign two agreements when you purchase from him, alright? His takes about a week and a half to get to like standard shipping type shit. This is my first wig and I adore it. Adore it, adore it, adore it. So I have actually in 3 bundles only of Weavvy hair, and I still have, let's see how much I have left actually. This is the wavy range. The one I had before, my ginger hair, which is also Weavvy hair, as you guys see on my channel. This is it. This is the pure curly. This has just been like washed and dyed. This is extra hair that I have. And I used Adore for this. Well, my hairstylist used Adore to dye this. This is a natural state of the pure curly. Very fun. I think colors are amazing to do with curly hair. Now that I never did curly hair, this is my first time ever doing curly hair, and I think it's fun to do with a color because it'll be voluminous, and you can also straighten it. It'll get, like you see in my videos, like this curly hair gets as straight as this because it's raw Indian hair. I'm gonna keep plugging it in till you get the fucking memo. This is how much hair I have left from this what's his face? From the 30-inch bundle. This is how much hair I have left. A nice, you know, he used most of it. This is how much hair I have left. This is what was how it was lifted. It didn't go too far because I stressed the fact that I did not want it a bright blue. This is but I brought the wrong dye. This is the color This is the color I chose. It is Royal Navy, semi-permanent. I really wanted it navy. I didn't want it like, I didn't want to love a hip hop blue, you dig? Like, I wanted to give an effective chic look about it. But yeah, so this is the hair in its natural state, the wave. But it can wave up more, like after you like air dry it, after you like wash your hair and whatnot. If you don't know that about raw wavy hair. And the way wavy hair straightens is so awesome. I have a very small head. I only needed 3 bundles of 30-inch hair. And to wig life, or if you're new to frontal and closure life, a frontal sizing comes in 13x6 or 13x4. 13 is, you know, the ear to ear, and the 6 of the 4 is in inches backwards. So a 4 would probably end about here on a 13x4 frontal. I always opt for 13x6 because that gives more, you know, area for me to part and, you know, get a little, you know, a little grind. Also, the reason why I always get 13x6 is because if you get this sizing, you don't have to buy as many bundles. So my last Indique's wavy frontal that I had to use for curly hair was a 13x6, and I also used 3 bundles of the curly hair. And obviously I have way more hair left in the curly hair because, you know, it's more voluminous than I do in the wavy hair. But for me, this is my second time. I'm a returning customer, obviously. I still only need 3 bundles because I keep pairing it with a 13x6 frontal. I've never had a wig before, and I feel like, bitch, what took you so long? What coming to the light, baby?
Okay, there we go. You see, this is where the frontal stops. It takes up a good half of my unit, so I'm able to have 3 bundles, no problem. You see? And you see, I take it off, and look at the behind it. It's not matted up and nothing like that because the hair is good. But yeah, that is what we're working with.
What I'm noticing is that with wigs, it's easier for you to you know, take care of your hair aside from just having a look. Like, you'll have the look that you want, but you know, at the end of the night or a day or two, because I've had this on for a full day now. Like, I wore it yesterday to a party, and because of the way he secured this bitch, like, I got combs and a band. It's very snug. Like, there's no point in me ripping it off because I just washed my hair like 2 days ago. It's very easy with wigs to keep the relationship that you have with your hair afloat. So your wash regimen, airing it out, because, you know, oxygen is very important for your natural hair. I have 4C hair texture, obviously, if you've seen from my previous video. So it's very important for us to, you know, keep our shit exposed. Like, it's really important. And luckily with the weavy hair that I have, it married beautifully. And my wig doesn't seem wiggy. You know, it looks like a sew-in. Does it not? You know, clock me. Tell me what it is. You can't clock me because, like, come on, like, you know what time it is. Like, clearly it's the baddest. And I have not worn 30 inches of hair in since 2014. Something, because I keep telling y'all that y'all gotta catch these sales. I think there's one right now. So just check her website, but I'm pretty sure it's that's the, what is it called? What the fuck is it called? But I'm just called refund season. Bring your tax check right on over to Weavvy. I'm 5'4", 30 inches stock. I mean, I kid you not, the last bundle stopped on my ovary. Right here. This is my pooms right here. And the bundle meeting it. It's neck and neck with the pooms, you feel me? So, keep that in mind. Oh, you can kind of see the blue a little bit more here. But I wanted it to be highlighted to creep up, but I'm gonna get it lifted one more time, or I'm gonna use a brighter blue. Each donor for each bundle you receive is going to be different. Every bundle will never look the same, and if every bundle looks the same, you're getting fucking processed hair, and you're getting gypped, and you need to fight that human being that sent you that hair, okay? Now that that's out the way, if you are someone that wants to not keep your hair for that long, which I can't imagine why you wouldn't just want to invest in some good hair, a Brazilian hair will get the job done. Don't expect to hold on to that unit for more than 6 months. Just, there's no issues here. I don't know what I want to do next. Like, the fact that I can wear this today and tomorrow I can get corporate cunt bob, girl, I've lost my mind. Not only what hair you use, it is who constructs your units. That's very important. Very, very, very important, because the hair is only gonna do half the job. The hair is amazing, front to back. Like, this is 30 inches and it's still not naping in my unit. Like, come on. Talk to me about quality only. Talk to me about quality only. No naping, no naping. I've been at work all day. I just came off my shift. Y'all know I like showing you some wear. Like, I just came in talking shit on the camera, and I was like, you know what, that's right, I gotta update niggas. I didn't have to do anything. I didn't fool around with my hair, nothing. It just did what I bought it to do. Slay. I just keep proving the point that is Indian raw hair. Come on, just pull up, join the clique, join the gang. If you need pointers on how many bundles you may need. You could just comment down below, I'll respond. Like I said, I'm using only 3 bundles for the past 2 weavy hairs that I had because her bundles are very full. And you know when your hair just so good, you just keep running your fingers through it. I just love that phase of weave, like when it's fresh and it's amazing. And if you're not running your fingers through it, is it good? I'm gonna link down below where you can join gang at. And right now, like I said, she is having a major sale. She's purchasing only through Cash App because I think there was some type of discrimination. There's an open discrimination case that PayPal is going through. It's probably better for her to process also. Who knows? But the girl is going through Cash App. Abide by it, because that's the only way you're gonna get your bundles. If you ain't paying through Cash App, it's a dub. Don't even ask no extra ass questions. If she say, if someone says this is how they're gonna conduct business, abide. Don't question it. Don't ask how you can loophole around it. That is what it is. Like, go in respecting the dealer's wishes, which is Cash App. Anyway, cheers. Enjoy your bundles, bitch.